I remember I used to dance on male songs that point of time. And the entire performance, I was like this.
Oh.
Akhiyan milao kabhi akhiyan chirao kya tune. So
Yeah.
when I was doing the reality show,
Yeah.
my mom used to come with an empty bag every weekend.
Yeah.
Because every weekend wo
Right.
elimination hota tha.
Elimination, yeah.
And every weekend I used to go in the next round. And she used to howl and cry and she used to be like, why are they promoting you? Just to read through the pages, I got so much of information regarding ISRO and the scientists that they go through, the pressure that they go through. My heart kind of felt that ache, that
Yeah.
little heartache I got that bhai 0.0001% भी miscalculation allowed नहीं है यहाँ पे. And I was like, भाई इनको support नहीं करेंगे तो किसको करेंगे यार?
Yeah.
Every time he used to be on set, I used to give him this look. Danish. Yeah. What, Amrita? What did I do wrong? Why are you talking to me like this? And then I just carried it forward. Amrita, you're haunting. You're like a ghost right now. No, Amrita, I'm not doing it. Hey, Baba, just tell her, yeah, what is it?
I know, Danish.
You can be the best strawberry in the world and
It's
people
okay.
will still hate that
That's
strawberry.
so
And
interesting.
again, because you're a filmmaker, my left profile. Hi,
Thank
my
you.
name is Amrita. You know my age, so I'm not going to say it on camera. My height is 5'4" and you can contact me on...
Hi, Amrita ma'am. How are
Hi,
you?
please don't call me ma'am. I feel ancient.
No.
Just call me Amrita, AK,
Amrita.
whatever it is.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful name. I would
Thank
love to
you.
call you Amrita.
Thank
How are you
you.
doing today?
All well, thank you.
Yeah.
I'm having a great time
Yes.
with you.
Um,
Before this, of course, we were sitting and
Yes,
sipping
we were
coffee. That's
talking.
why.
Yeah. I love your energy.
Thank you so
oh
much.
my God.
Thank you.
So yeah, looking back, I really wanted to ask you about your childhood.
Oh, wow.
Yes, like what inspired you to be a dancer first, and then you were born in Bombay, and
Yes.
then could you tell us more about that?
So, yeah, what year I was born in Mumbai, I'm not going to reveal. But, after the 93 bomb blast,
Yes.
my father that time used to travel from Andheri to Girgaon,
Yes.
where he used to work.
Yeah.
And there was an unfortunate incident that happened and
Yeah.
it kind of shook him a lot.
Right.
And that is when he decided that, because 2 girls, 1 wife, 1 mother, and he was
Yes.
like, it was too much for him.
I get it.
And then he decided, what, let's move to Pune. And that is
Right.
how we shifted to Pune in the year 1994.
Okay.
And 2003, again, me and my sister, we came back. Me, my sister, my mother, we came back to Mumbai.
2003.
Yeah.
Oh.
So around 10 years we were in Pune. We
Right.
still have a house there and everything.
Nice.
But my dad just loves Pune. He loves that, that
Yeah.
little old world charm and
Yes.
slow mornings
Yes.
and slow evenings and everything. So
Right.
he's still in Pune.
Yes.
But me, my mother, my sister, we were hustlers. We are still hustlers. And we decided to come to Mumbai and we
Right.
decided to do something.
Right.
Some career. My sister's an air hostess with Emirates.
Wow.
Today she's working in some health department. I really
Lovely,
don't know. She's in
lovely.
Dubai for the last 15, 18 years now.
Yeah.
And I came here with my mom and I tried to do something in this career. Tried to, make a mark for myself. And
Correct.
so far so good. It's been good.
Lovely.
Yeah,
What
yeah.
inspired you to become an actress?
So
or
I'll
like a
tell you what.
dancer?
So when I used to be in Pune,
Yeah.
So Ganesh Utsav, the festival of
Yes.
Ganpati, is a huge thing in
Love
Pune,
it.
in Maharashtra as well.
Yes.
But in Pune, it's got this really special place. So when we shifted to Pune, our colony, Shri Gopal Vihar, the
Nice.
building's name,
Wow.
they thought that it would be great to bring Ganpati in the
Yes.
colony for 5 days and all. So then children were supposed to, bring something to the table at that point
Oh,
of
like a
time.
performance,
Yeah,
like an
like a
event?
performance
Wow.
or like some singing or some what do you
Wow.
say, instrument playing and this and that. And that time I discovered that I do not have 2 left feet. I can dance. So that is how I started dancing, and
Wow.
dancing came absolutely naturally to me.
Wow.
And then I started dancing in birthday parties. I used to get a dairy milk and 100
Aw.
rupees. And then, word kind of spread,
Yes,
that
yes.
she dances
She's a good
and, you can
dancer.
call her and see her
Right.
dance and
Yeah,
everything.
yeah.
I remember I used to dance on male songs that point of
Oh.
time.
What was
I
your favorite song? Like what?
Mukala, Mukabla,
Lela,
Lela, Lela,
Oh, Lela.
and I used to do that entire stuff of Prabhu Deva. So I used to be like a huge Prabhu Deva fan.
Wow.
And then I shifted to Madhuri Dixit, of course. So these two were my idols.
Yeah.
Matlab, the first performance I remember I had done in a parking lot. वहाँ पे एंड दैट टाइम स्टेज में कुछ नहीं होता था
फ्लैट था
एक फ्लैट सरफेस पे आप अगर वो
Yeah.
चद्दर डाल दो तो दैट वाज द स्टेज
and audience around
yeah. So I remember wearing my dad's shirt, my mom's trousers,
So cute.
and my dad's blazer or something that he had worn in his shadi, and I had a boycott that point
It's
of
for
time.
this Mukabla song?
No. This was for Akhiyan Mila Kabhi Akhiyan
Churao,
Churao
Kya
Kya
Toone
Toone
Kiya
Kiya Jadoo. And the entire performance, I was like this.
Oh.
Akhiyan Milao Kabhi Akhiyan Churao Kya Toone Kiya
So
Jadoo.
cute.
Because I knew how to dance, but
Yeah,
I didn't
with
know
confidence, yeah.
how to look at people at that point of time. So this was my first dance ever.
Oh my god.
So Mukala, Mukabla and Akhiyan Milao Kabhi Akhiyan Churao was like my go-to songs. कहाँ जाना है? अच्छा, कौन सा चाहिए आपको? Mukala, Mukabla, yeah. So that used to be the thing. And
so nice.
Dancing came absolutely
Who
naturally.
choreographed it for you?
I used to be the choreographer. I used to get all these little children up on our terrace and I used to choreograph. So I am like a
The
taskmaster.
leader. Oh my God,
And
wow.
taskmaster. My sister, when she performed, so there was this Dola Re Dola.
I danced on that
yes.
song.
My God, my sister tells me, you are a taskmaster. I never want to dance with you. And yeah, so that is how I started
Right,
dancing and this
right,
and that.
right.
And then obviously the word spread, and then
Correct.
I started getting auditions.
Right.
There used to be these sari catalogs I used to do.
Oh, that is how you
Yeah.
started. Right,
And
right.
I used to get like a check of 2,000, 3,000 rupees at that point of time. And that is how I entered into the industry per
Correct.
se. And Pune is, a lot of theatre artists in Marathi are from Pune.
Right,
So there's that
absolutely.
culture of, classical singing, classical dancing, doing theatre and everything. But then 2004, I remember, 2003, I remember, there was this huge talent hunt that was,
Cine Stars Ki
Cine
Khoj.
Stars Ki Khoj.
I
And
remember watching
people had
that
come
show,
to
yeah.
come to Pune to take auditions and all.
Right.
I was any which ways auditioning.
Yeah.
So I remember I had auditioned in FTII.
Oh, there.
Yes,
Okay.
and they selected me. The main event happened in FTII. I won that
Wow.
from Pune. So then I was took from Pune to Mumbai. That time
And how did you feel about it? Like, did you feel like
I
a
felt
milestone?
really great.
Yeah.
I didn't know. So my Hindi that time was very Marathi oriented.
Okay.
Like, like I didn't know कि मुझे को मुझे कहते हैं. I used to say मुझे.
Oh.
So yeah, I mean, that is how
The
I mean.
za
I was
is very
very
Maharashtrian.
Very
yeah,
Maharashtrian.
Yeah.
So all those things happened, and still I was selected. Then I was, we as contestants, we were called to Mumbai. Then there was a huge. I had never seen so much of glamour, and I remember. I remember Dabu Ratnani sir was doing our photo shoot. Okay,
Yeah.
you will not believe.
What? I'm excited. Tell
Okay.
me.
There were people from Delhi and all who had got girls and boys who
Yeah.
had got these huge suitcases
Okay.
from Delhi,
Okay.
around 10, 15 outfits and this and that. I had two thelis with me. One had 2 denims and 3-4 tops, and one had shoes. Like shoes matlab jo main Linking Road se leti thi वगैरह वगैरह.
Okay.
So shopping for me at that point of time was
Yeah.
Linking Road 1,000 rupees. 200 rupees denims, 50 rupees tops. If you need any inners or anything, that used to come in around 150 rupees and everything. So my initial shopping, even though I was from, officially entered the industry,
Correct.
was from Linking Road. Matlab, that is how I remember entering Dabu Ratnani's studio.
Yeah.
And not knowing what they are doing and
Okay.
stuff like that.
Yeah.
And I had my 3-4 tops and denims.
Yeah.
And I wore those and I did my photo shoot.
Oh.
Yeah. And I didn't know how to pose and I didn't know what
Yeah.
to do. and I had this curly hair which they had straightened.
They had straightened
Yeah,
your lovely
and
curly hair?
and I looked hideous. Hideous is the word, because I had all the baby fat a person could have.
Right.
I had like these really huge what cheeks.
Okay.
I didn't know what they were doing. यहाँ पे brown कर दिया था, यहाँ पे
Cutting
pink
thing
कर
that they
दिया
do,
था.
right.
There was they had given me lenses, and I was like really hairy on my eyebrows and everything. I mean, everything that a hideous photo shoot can ask for. I had everything.
But the best thing is that you met your husband, your partner
Oh
on
yes,
that
so
show.
Zee Cine Stars ki khoj, that was one
Yeah.
thing that happened. Was
Yeah.
I met my husband Himanshu
Yes.
Malhotra at that point
Yes.
of time,
Yes.
and I don't know what he saw in me, yaar.
Come on.
I'm really telling you, I was hideously dressed. I don't know what I was doing. I was very vernacular. My Hindi was sounding like Marathi, and I don't know what was happening with me. I don't know what that guy saw in me.
Come on.
I'm really telling you. And
you're-
he
you're-
always thought, and even today, he's always believed in me as an actor, as a performer.
Yeah.
I think, God kind of sent him blind at that point of
I
time.
know.
Bichara, he was like, तुमको मैं दृष्टि नहीं दूंगा, हिमांशु. Go fall in love with this girl.
It's a beautiful love story. So, which makes it like what? 22 years of togetherness?
Yeah, 22 years of togetherness.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
I have known him as long as his mom and dad.
Yeah, no, yes. So after this show, what was your next project? Like, did you audition for another show?
See,
or-
I auditioned a lot.
Yeah.
I used to audition, and even today I audition a lot.
Yeah.
And my first show was a television serial
Right.
on Sahara One.
Oh, I
It
remember.
was produced by Ken Ghosh at that point of time. And where every person who was a part of that reality show as a
Right.
contestant, they wanted to do films and everything.
Yeah.
I just wanted कि भाई मेरा खर्चा निकल जाए महीने का. I still remember I was in Andheri East,
Right.
and me and my mom, we had rented out a one-room kitchen. Matlab, there was kitchen and then there was one room.
One room.
I remember not even having a wardrobe at that point of time. I used to arrange all my outfits, whatever outfits I could afford at that point of time, very neatly, zameen pe. And then we had this kitchen and then a bathroom. That's about it.
Yeah.
Me and my mom used to sleep gadde dal ke niche vagara. And because I didn't know what was going to happen to me.
Yeah, you were like,
Why should I invest in a
Invest,
wardrobe? And
absolutely.
so I remember that one room kitchen was 5,000 rupees a month.
that
और
was
वो-
that is expensive.
Yeah.
5,000 तभी.
तभी मतलब
Yeah.
2004 2005 के
In
वक्त.
which area you said?
Andheri East.
Andheri East.
Yeah, but we wanted to live in a better society and
Correct,
everything.
correct.
I was like, whatever. I mean, I'm going to be, on the set
Yeah.
any which way. So my
Yes.
first work was a television serial.
Right.
Then I kept doing work. I did a television serial called as Time Bomb with Ketan Mehta sir,
Right.
which was a ripoff of 24.
Okay.
So then,
Oh yes.
then I got my first ever Hindi film, which was then I was doing
Right.
anchoring and this and that and
your
everything.
line of work is like too much.
Yeah,
You're, like,
then I did my
extremely
first
talented.
film with Milan Luthria sir. It was called as Hat
right.
Trick.
Actually.
I played Paresh Rawal sir's daughter,
Yes.
and that was my first ever international.
How did you feel when you got casted? Like, okay, you are coming. When the casting director told you.
Yeah,
like, how did you
so
feel
I
about
remember
it?
Jogi ji was casting
Yeah.
for it. It was a UTV film,
Right.
and he's the same person who casted me in Razi as well.
Ooh.
And there's a story to it also.
yes, I want to know. Yeah.
And he was like, Amrita, okay, आपका सिलेक्शन हो गया, आपको
Yeah.
निकलना पड़ेगा लंदन के लिए.
Right.
मैंने कहा सर पासपोर्ट लगेगा क्या उसके लिए?
Oh,
हाँ बेटा पासपोर्ट लगेगा.
you're so cute.
And I don't know कहाँ से मैंने वो जुगाड़ करके I got the passport, and I kind of
Yeah.
left for London,
Right.
and I remember shooting for the film and
Yeah.
everything. Then I came
Yeah.
back,
Yeah.
and it did kind of well. I was very
Yeah.
happy that मेरी पहली Hindi film. But again, I was back to doing television serials.
Yes.
I did this show with Star Plus called as Bhabhi, and that time I was shooting and किसी ने मेरा नाम रामू जी को, राम गोपाल वर्मा को सजेस्ट किया.
Right.
And he was like कि चलो ठीक है, I'll meet this girl.
Yeah.
That is how I did 2 scenes in Contract. Then he saw my work and he was like, would you like to do this film called as Fook?
Yeah, that's
It's a mother's role, and I was on 19, 20. I was like, yeah, I'll do it, whatever.
wow.
And Contract, I was offered 50,000 rupees.
Yeah.
Fook, I got 2.5 lakh rupees.
Wow.
I was like, wow, 2.5
Money.
lakh rupees? Wow, what is that? Let's do it. Kya
Wow.
baat hai yaar? Then Fook happened, then Fook 2 happened.
Right.
Ehsas Channa,
Yes.
that time played my
I've worked
daughter's
with her.
role.
Yeah,
daughter's role and everything.
Yes, yes.
But I kept doing work, yeah. For me, it was never like कि film में कुछ career करना है, you know, television पे नहीं करना है.
Right.
For me, whatever work came to me, I kept doing it. 2006, I remember I was offered a Marathi film.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know whether I wanted to do a Marathi film, but again, the pay was great. I was like, I'll do it. Chalo,
Wow.
let's do it. You know, ऐसा करके, you know, I did
And
a
a lot of
Marathi.
people are going to resonate with you because sometimes people say, "अच्छा मैंने वो काम मना कर दिया because I want to do this work, that work," but you are so relatable, ma'am. It's unbelievable.
And you see, at the end of the day, at that point of time, in the year 2003, 2004,
Yeah.
I didn't know,
Yes.
you know, what kind of talent I had. मेरे घर से मुझे कभी ये बताया नहीं गया था, listen, you're very talented, you know what, you should do this. कभी नहीं. My parents were as clueless as they are
Yes.
today.
Yeah.
And, you know, they're just glad that I could do something for
Absolutely,
myself.
absolutely.
And I kept working. For me, it was learning on the job.
I know.
There was this one anchoring show that I did. I used
Yes.
to take 30-35 takes to get the lines right because मेरी भाषा कुछ great नहीं थी, and my English was not great, my Hindi
Look
was
you
not
now.
great,
Wow.
and I've learned on the job.
Wow, wow, that is so inspiring, ma'am. So have you ever been to a like acting school or like some FTII course, or it's like
नहीं,
natural?
पता ही नहीं था, किसी ने बताया नहीं तब. Today I take acting workshops. I've done
You
acting
do
workshops.
take now?
Yeah,
But
I've
you're
done a
extremely good.
Meisner acting
Okay,
workshop. I've
right.
done. I've done a workshop with Atul Mongia. Saurabh ji ke sath I want to do
Yes,
a workshop.
Sachdeva, yeah.
But right now I think I have the bandwidth to understand what is
Wow.
lacking, what is, you know, what are the things that I need to work on.
Yeah.
And then I do my acting workshops.
I
yeah.
feel you're also very curious as a person because
Very.
that learning is never like.
I don't think.
never
I mean,
feel like
I'm
I know
above
it all,
35 right now, and I think I'm more curious than I ever
Nah.
was.
So when did your family react when you told them that you want to become an actress? Or they were always supportive, right? Like ऐसा
See, they
कुछ-
were supportive, but I never told them that I want to become an actor.
Oh, what did you
It
tell
is.
them?
It was a very hard blow for them.
Oh,
I
okay.
told them that, listen, you know, I want to try this. I've got
Right.
this thing. I've got this television serial.
Right.
They're paying really well.
Yeah.
Let me try it out. But
Right.
my mom was like, ki, no, not at all. I'll tell you one thing. So
Yeah.
when I was doing the reality show,
Yeah.
my mom used to come with an empty bag every weekend.
Yeah.
Because every weekend wo
Right,
elimination hota tha.
elimination, yeah.
And every weekend I used to go in the next round, and she used to howl and cry, and she used to be like, why are they promoting you? And I'm like, but mom, it's a reality show.
Good thing, yeah.
Yeah. But why are they promoting you? I've got this bag, khali bag, so that I'll take you home.
So cute. So cute.
And I'm like, and I didn't know what to tell her.
Yeah.
Because she was never away from me for so long.
She missed you a lot.
Yeah, and she's
actually.
like, and अच्छा वो ये भी नहीं ना पता कि I miss you my child, ये बोलने का भी पता नहीं था
Indian
तब.
mothers.
Yeah,
they
Indian
don't know how
mothers,
to- Yeah.
they will only howl and cry, and they'll be like, let's go home. And I'm like, I can't go, they've put me in another round, mama. But why are they promoting you?
Problems. It's like, okay, wow, auntie is so cute.
Yeah.
So, how is she dealing with your fame right now? She's like, do you give her enough time?
I think she's seen it all now. I think more than
Yeah.
fame, she's seen what kind of hard work and what kind of hardships I had to go through
Yeah.
to be on a set.
Correct.
You know, so many things that I had to let go, so many
Right.
things regarding, you know, insults and, you know, because this industry, I think the world is a harsh place.
It's a very harsh place.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
so she saw that I'm very ziddy. If I have to be on a set and I have to
Yeah.
be certain way, I
Yeah.
will be. You
Wow.
know, and whatever insults come my way, I will just gulp it down and do my work and move ahead. That's about
Yeah,
it. So
yeah.
I did my television serial like that. I did so many things like that.
How do you
Yeah.
navigate all this? I mean, I'm sorry, being a woman, I also feel like it's a very much male dominated
Yeah.
industry,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
How do you navigate through? I need the answer.
I think today we talk about it a lot, and it's
Yeah.
a good thing that we talk about it.
Yeah.
But when I started, there were not even talks about
No,
this.
ना
There
ये
were
ये
not
तो होता
talks
ही
about
है ऐसा.
the pay, the pay
Right.
difference, and
Right.
the right kind of washrooms for women, the
Oh,
right kind of yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, around 3-4 women in one room.
Mm-hmm.
There was no privacy, nothing. There were no timings कि 12 घंटे की शिफ्ट है, 14 घंटे की शिफ्ट है.
Right.
हमको कहते थे कि अभी पैकअप हो गया तो वो पैकअप है.
Hmm.
अगर सुबह 6 बजे आना है तो सुबह 6 बजे आना है. So I'm so glad that today the
Things are
generation is much
changing.
more
Yeah.
aware of these things, that this
Absolutely.
is not done and this is not
Absolutely.
fair and this is
Yeah.
not right and this is wrong
Right.
and stuff. Yeah.
Right. So okay, so I recently realized that it was you on the A Hip Hop par mujhe pyar. I love that song. And some days back, that song was like I was humming that
Yeah.
song and cut to it's my manifestation maybe. So how did that video song happen?
So I used to go to this gym called Sykes in Andheri Lokhandwala.
Okay.
And the owner of that gym
Yeah.
was a friend, Nitin
Yeah,
karke.
yeah.
And he was like, listen, you know what, we're doing this song. He's a new singer, Ishq Bector. But Sunidhi Chauhan has sung the
Yeah.
song. I'm
Yeah,
a
yeah.
huge Sunidhi
Sunidhi.
Chauhan fan, yeah.
Yeah.
And when they sent me the song, I was like, yeah, Sunidhi
It's a
Chauhan
nice song.
song. And hey, hip hop. I'm like, is this Sunidhi? Has she really sung this song? And my that time boyfriend,
Correct.
today's husband, he was like, do it, yeah.
Do it, yeah.
I mean, it's a Sunidhi Chauhan song.
Yeah.
How bad can it go?
It's a lovely song.
And I did
yeah.
that song when I was 19 years.
Yeah, you're extremely young.
And I thought, oh my God, why did I do this song? But after 20 years now, that song is still trending. Just right now, I saw two boys dancing on that song, and I'm like,
there are dancers like the song is so
I'm
viral.
like,
Yeah.
okay, hello.
Yes, it's very viral on
I'll tell you a
Instagram.
thing. So
Yeah.
after that, I used to
Yeah.
get all these calls to come and perform in Haryana and Delhi and all.
What are you saying?
Yeah, and I was so intimidated. I used to be like, nahi, this is wrong number. This is not Amrita. No. Rakho phone, rakho.
Oh, they must have taken it the
Yeah.
okay. Oh.
अरे ये हिप हॉपर गर्ल ही है ना. नहीं ये वो नहीं है.
Hip hop.
That was my name that point of time. Yeah.
Oh my god, but I love that song. I love the way. Such a wonderful song.
I've been very lucky with
Yeah.
songs, I think.
Yeah.
I've been very, very lucky.
Yes.
Be it Marathi or be it Hindi, I think
Correct.
a lot of my songs have done really well.
Yes, absolutely. You have also you're really like extremely good with Lavani, contemporary
Yeah.
hip hop dancer. And, wow, like how did Lavani happen? Like I know it's a Marathi.
So Lavani is like a folk culture in Marathi,
Correct,
and
correct.
it is respected upon.
Yes.
And it is one of the oldest forms of
Yes.
Marathi folk culture.
Absolutely. Yeah.
And I was very fortunate enough to get songs like Wazle Ki Bara.
Right.
Then, though it was not my first film, Natrang, I just did one song in it and it just went viral.
Yes.
Even after 15 years now,
Yes.
18 years now, people dance on that song.
Yes,
There are
yes.
children coming to me who are in their teens telling me, ma'am, I was a baby when I heard this song and I still love the song. I'm like, great, beta, thank you. I mean,
You got the beta
Thank you.
only. You were also extremely young.
yeah, I
only.
was, but then see, now I was thoroughly padded that point of time. I was 22 or something when I did that song.
Yeah.
And that song also just happened like
No.
overnight for me.
Yes.
Matlab, I think I was a replacement or what, I don't remember.
Yeah.
Amit Falke from Z, at that point of time, he was working with Z, had called me, a very dear friend to me right now, ki listen, you know what, we're doing this song and it's a Lavani song, will you do it? I was like, yeah, sure. Listen, we are going to pay you this much. I was like, yeah, whatever. Yeah, we'll do it. We'll do the song. And I had traveled the entire night, and I did the song in Kolhapur. So yeah,
Right.
it was a great thing. And I remember the Lavani sari wrapping
Yes, yes, it's
lady.
lamba sari. And
Yeah, it's a
it's
9 yard, a
yes,
10 yard
yes,
sari,
yes.
and she was just in a very thick language
Right.
abusing me because I was very thin.
No way. What
She was
is
like, "What is this? You're like a kathi. How am I supposed to wrap this sari on you?"
Kathi means danda?
Like really
Oh,
thin.
yeah.
Really thin. I
Yeah,
had
like
like really thin
kathi. Yeah.
arms and really thin legs
Oh,
and everything. And for a Lavani sari to look
yeah.
like a Lavani sari on a voluptuous woman, you
Oh,
need something on your body. You need those
right.
curves of a woman and this and
Right,
that.
right.
And I still remember she was wrapping that sari around, and then I had huge thigh pads. I had huge,
Oh my
uh,
God.
what do you say? These.
Some
Bicep pads and bum pads and everything, and then she wrapped this sari around me.
I'm so sorry you had to go
That's
through
fine,
that,
that's
but that
fine.
song is an
But
awesome
I
song.
mean that was the first time even for me. For
Yeah.
me, whenever I have never complained if something new has happened to me, I just observe it, I take it in, and I'm like, okay, this is how it
So
is.
easy
Yeah.
to work with. Oh my God. I love the decisions you've taken in your life and like, wow, great. So yeah, if I'm not wrong, your first Marathi film, it was in 2006, Golmaal, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So how did you feel like doing that? Because before that, you were doing TV and like
Yeah.
music videos.
Again, a different avenue, a
Yeah.
different, and I was
Yeah.
glad that a Marathi film was, offered to
Yeah.
me.
Yeah.
Apparently, that point of time, I was one of the most glamorous faces in Marathi.
You still are.
So I don't know about
Please, you
that.
still are.
There are a lot of talented women who've come now, but I feel that that point of time, it was that,
Yeah.
oh, such a glamorous heroine, such a glam doll, and
Yeah.
I used to be like, it's fine, yeah. I mean, I'm just wearing a red dress and running around a tree. I mean, what's the big deal about it?
Okay, you didn't like that. Okay, all right. All right. So, but again, you also did a transition from supporting roles in the early cinema to the lead roles as well. Like, how
Yes.
was that transition? Like, how did you feel like?
So for me,
Yeah.
even today, I feel that
Yeah.
a role is supportive or primary.
Yeah.
If it has something, it is always a primary role for me.
Correct.
For me, I don't define roles by the length of the scenes that I get.
Yeah.
Sometimes there are roles where you're just standing behind and you have a screen presence of, say, 1.5 hours or whatever it is.
All right.
So for me, that was never the thing. For me, I wanted to do something challenging. I wanted to do
Correct.
something new.
Right.
And I have always treated every project of mine as my first project.
Wow.
So for me, if I'm going to learn something new, for example, when I was offered the song, I didn't know that it could turn to a huge success at
Zero
that point of time.
expectations. Yeah.
Zero
yeah.
expectations.
But,
But
yeah.
I got to work with a brilliant national award director like
Yes.
Ravi Zadhav.
Right.
I got to work with Nikhil Sanesar, Amit Falke, Z
Right,
Studios.
right.
And to do a Lavani, I wanted to work with Atul Kulkarni at that point of time.
Yes.
And Lavani was something that I never had tried in my life.
Yeah.
For me, it was something new that I was trying.
Right.
The same goes with all the films that I've done.
Right.
I have never, all the directors that I've worked with, I had never worked with them. So be it Ravi Zadhav, be it Golmaal ke
Correct.
jo director the,
Correct.
wo. So for me, everything was new.
Right.
And like I told you that I was learning on the job.
Yes.
So I never knew what opportunity could bring me
Correct.
what opportunity. So I was
Correct.
just grabbing everything with my two hands. Yeah.
Yes, right. I mean, I like the fact that how you're not differentiating between like the, the amount of presence should be there.
Yeah,
or
no,
you
no,
were like,
no.
quality hai, to it's fine. And let's just
I mean,
go.
if I was
Yeah.
offered a role,
Yeah.
and if it was a good director, I would
Correct.
definitely take it up. Like I'll tell you,
Correct.
I did half a scene in Rangoon just because I wanted to meet Rekha Bharadwaj. Half a scene. I asked the casting director, can I meet her?
Wow.
He's like, yeah, sure, she'll be on set. I was like, fine, I'll do it.
Wow. All right, so you have also done this. I mean, Chandramukhi was one of your signature project. I mean, we all love that thing, right? So how did you like get into such a complex character? Like, what all did you prepare? Like, I mean, you told me behind
So
the camera.
Chandramukhi was a
Yeah.
project which I actually got together.
Together?
Like, yeah, I kind of, got the producer.
Okay.
My director Prasad Oak had
Right.
suggested me that, you should take the
Right.
rights of this book. And it's been written by this fantastic writer, Vishwas Patil sir.
Right.
And he's written some absolutely amazing literature in Marathi.
Yes.
And so me and my producer, we kind of went to him. We got the
Right.
rights of it.
Right.
Then I made sure that Ajay Atul sir would be on the project. So I
Right.
got the project together.
Wow.
And yeah, that is how I did it. And then COVID.
Happened.
In between COVID, we were, kind of rehearsing. Chinmay Mandlekar wrote the film.
Right.
Sanjay Memane was the
Right,
DOP of the
right,
film and
right.
everything. So during COVID, we were prepping for the film and stuff. We didn't know what was going to happen after COVID, how we
Right.
were going to shoot it.
Right.
But I think we were blessed with a very good producer.
Right.
He shot the film and everything, and then it released. And then I went bonkers with the publicity of it. यहाँ पे भी उसकी मतलब publicity करो, यहाँ पर
Right.
भी करो, because
Right.
it's very very important that your film reaches the right kind of audience.
Absolutely.
And that point of
absolutely.
time to get audience to a theater was very
Right.
difficult.
And yeah.
But thankfully everybody knew who and what Chandramukhi was.
Absolutely.
We got amazing nominations at every
Yes,
award function.
yes.
And yeah. that
And
is how
did your
we
love
did.
for dancing was helpful?
Yeah,
for
it
this?
Yeah, it was redefined, I feel.
Yeah, actually.
Because I promoted the film left, right, center.
Yes.
I left no stone unturned
Right.
to promote the film, because it was very important for me
Correct.
for the film to reach the
Right,
audiences.
absolutely, yeah.
Just yesterday I was talking to Bijoy Nambiar, and he
Wow.
was like, "Listen, I want to watch Chandramukhi. Where can I watch it?" And I was like, "Yeah, it's on
gonna
Amazon
love it.
Prime." And
Yeah, it's gonna love it.
But यार मतलब मैं एक बात कहना चाहती हूँ, when you're
Yeah.
committed to one project,
Yeah.
the time frame really doesn't matter. Like, I remember Chandramukhi right from the initial stage to the release, it took about 1.5, 2 years, good 1.5, 2 years. But you give it all, you give it your heart, soul and blood to the
You
film.
could
Yeah.
see that. I mean, you're so much into the character.
Yeah,
You're-
yeah.
All right. So you have also done reality shows.
Yes.
I mean,
I love doing reality
yeah,
shows.
I mean, yeah, you started with a reality show,
Yeah.
but again, then you hosted many reality shows like
Dance India Dance.
yes,
Yeah.
then
yeah.
Ekapeksha Ek.
Yeah,
To
I was a
Nach-
part of it as a dancer, as a
Yeah,
performer.
yeah.
Then I did Nach Baliye with my husband.
Yes, you
I
won
won it.
that.
Yeah.
You won that. That is
Yeah.
brilliant. And then
Yeah.
Khatro Ki Khiladi also.
Yeah.
So while doing all this show, like you're an actress, right? You have a script, and
Yeah.
that's like the character persona. Where you're like a little scared. Ki, okay, fine. Am I comfortable showing my real persona in all these reality shows? How
No,
did you
I'm very comfortable
Yeah.
showing my real persona.
Yeah.
I mean, I
you're a kind
embrace.
woman. I mean, we will.
I embrace my flaws just the way I embrace my
Yeah,
qualities. And I
yeah.
think a person who's real is more flawed than he is more talented,
I know,
feel.
right?
And I just feel that, people who've seen me on reality shows, they kind of connect with me. They find me very relatable. It's because I
Absolutely.
do not have any facade.
Yes.
I mean, if I don't like a person, it will show on my face. If I
No.
love a person, it will show in my entire body language.
Do you
And
like
it is
me
how
right
it
now?
is. Yeah. I won't be talking to you so much, babe. Trust me. But I feel that, that is how real people are. And this, the more real you are with your audience, the
Correct.
more loyal they are with you.
Absolutely.
Through thick and thin.
People can see through, pata.
Yeah.
If you're faking it, they can like absolutely see
Yeah. And
through.
then they egg.
yeah,
you're
ye
fake.
Kuch to
Then why do you want to do that?
Absolutely.
Of course, there will be people that do not like your persona, but then you can be the best strawberry in the world, and
It's
people
okay.
will still hate that strawberry.
That's okay. Yeah.
That is how
Yeah.
the world
And
is.
it's exhausting to be
Yeah.
like not.
You
to be
cannot
somebody
please
else
everyone. That is
also.
one thing that you
Yeah.
need to understand,
Very
and that's
much.
okay.
Yeah.
I'm very comfortable in my own skin,
Absolutely.
in my own religion, in my
Yes.
own language in my own
Correct.
persona, and yeah,
We
this
love
is what
it.
it is.
We love
I
it,
call
Amrita.
a spade. That's it.
Nice. Whoa. So let's come to your recent show, which is Tuskegee, and I
Yay.
oh my god, I loved it.
Thank you.
Yes, you played a tough custom officer, and like there was this sequence where you like apne gundo ki ekdam pura.
पिटाई की.
Yes, and I told you off camera also, whenever I see a very glamorous actress do a fighting sequence, it looks a little fake because they just ऐसे मारते हैं, then just wait for the next guy to come and then they will give a look at the camera. And but with you, it felt so natural.
No, but I have
Did
to
you-
give this credit to the DOP, Sudhir
Absolutely,
sir,
yeah.
as well as
Yeah.
the action director Abbas sir.
Yes, yes.
Because they choreographed it that way.
You performed it so well.
I think it just fighting, dancing, it all comes naturally to me. So dancing North Pole, fighting South Pole, just comes naturally to me. Yeah, but I think my action director liked the way I punch.
Wow.
Yeah,
You got hurt
yeah.
also, I've heard.
Yes, I did. I mean, yeah, it was like the last shot of the entire
Right,
the entire action sequence, and I
Right.
just gave that 6 foot stuntman a punch like this, and उसके jaw पे लगा और मेरे यहाँ पे लगा. भाई जो लोग रियल में मार खाते हैं, hats off to you guys. मुझे इतना सा लगा और ऐसी लग गई ना मेरी, तो मैं क्या बताऊँ.
But the entire sequence looked so flowy and so organic. It
Yeah.
felt like मुझे लगा नहीं कि इस punch के बाद कुछ और आएगा.
Yeah.
It felt natural, as if like you're protecting
So Raghav
yourself.
sir, who shot
Yeah,
the sequence,
yeah.
was so impressed with the energy that I
Yes,
got.
yes.
He's like, "ये क्या energy है?" I'm like, "Hello, have you
Hello.
met me?"
Nice. And how did, like, in how many days your
About a month or something, I think my hand was completely blown up like a balloon.
Oh my god,
Yeah,
it
but
was
in
that
15
bad.
minutes, on that day, in 15 minutes, I had to wear boxing gloves and
No
I had to
way.
shoot for a montage.
Oh my god.
But then this is a story that I'm going to tell my grandchildren. I'm very
Yes,
proud of it.
It's gonna be in a biography also. Anyway, coming to TVF, I'm
Yes.
so excited to see you on Chandrayaan. It's a
Yeah,
lovely show. I
yeah.
loved your performance. So tell us, like, how was your experience working on this show, Chandrayaan?
So Chandrayaan was very different. In fact, I was shooting
Yeah.
for Tuskegee and Chandrayaan together.
Oh.
I think थोड़ा बहुत gap था इन दोनों
Right,
के बीच
right,
में.
right.
But Nakul is such a natural performer,
So
and is such a lovely friend of Himanshu's actually.
Oh.
And to be on set with him was so comfortable.
Wow.
And I just had to be the supportive wife of the scientist who was going through so much.
Right.
And I'm a very supportive wife in my real life as well. A little dynamic though. I mean, Madhvi's character is a little subtle.
Yes,
And,
yes.
मतलब बहुत सुन के लेती है वो.
Yes.
I'm not in real life. I'm not a person, not
She's
a wife
this-
जो सुन के लेती है. I will be like, हो गया तुम्हारा, अभी मेरा सुनो. But I think being
Yeah.
on set with Nakul was absolutely amazing. Bhatu
Right.
and the entire team of writers,
Yeah.
they had done so much of research.
Yeah, yeah.
And just to read through the pages, I got so much of information regarding ISRO and the scientists that they go through, the pressure that they go through.
Did it move
and my
you?
heart
Yeah.
kind of felt that ache, that
Yeah.
little heartache I got, that bhai 0.0001% भी miscalculation allowed नहीं है यहाँ पे. And my heart truly went out to them, yeah.
I know.
And I was like, भाई इनको support नहीं करेंगे तो किसको करेंगे यार? So I think what I used to do is, I used to read all those technical things.
Yeah.
And I used to be like, bhai,
You feeling me?
I feel you, Nakul.
Oh.
I'm there for you. I used to be like that.
Nice.
Yeah.
How was your relationship with the director Bhatu and other
I think he was so
departments?
chill. He was so
Very
chill. The
chill,
writers
yeah.
were so chill.
Yes,
All the
yes.
AD department, such a good-looking AD department we had. Hello. But I'm really telling you, all of them, I think they were
Yeah.
just very chill.
Yeah.
And I used to, because क्या होता है कि for an actor,
Yes.
आप set पे काम बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं करते between action and cut.
हाँ.
But you're having this amazing rapport with all these people. So I
Right.
used to be very chill on set. I used to talk
Yeah.
to them
Yeah.
and order food and chill with them.
Wow.
And so it was really
That's
nice.
such a-
Danish was also
Yes.
yeah.
Yes.
Danish के साथ मेरा 1 या 2 दिन shooting था.
But कैसा
But
था?
Danish
Was
was
it funny?
like, no, Danish felt that I was very strict.
No.
Yeah, I was in that Madhvi zone and everything, and he used to be like, my God, look at her. She's really strict. No, Nakul used to be like, no, yaar,
No,
pagal hai
yeah.
kya? So Danish, then I had this thing, a fun thing with him.
Yeah.
Every time he used to be on set, I used to give him this look. Danish. Yeah. What,
scared
Amrita?
now.
What did I do wrong? Why are you talking to me like this? And then I just carried it forward. Amrita, you're haunting. You're like a ghost right now. Don't cross a boundary with me, Danish. Don't do that. No, Amrita, I'm not doing it. Baba, just tell her, yeah, what is it?
I know, Danish.
So I used to have this thing with Danish. And yeah, it was fun.
We enjoyed it so much. Have you met Arunap sir on the set? Did he come?
Of course.
Wow.
And in fact, I had met him right before we started shooting.
Right.
And I'm like, I always thought that he would be like this really serious guy and everything. And I'm like, what?
Kindest man, yeah.
I'm like, you are so chill. You are so chill. And then he congratulated me on Taskari and
Yes,
everything. We had a photo session done and he's like, भाई माधवी देख के मुझे नहीं लगा था कि मिताली का कैरेक्टर ऐसा होगा करके.
Wow.
I'm like, yeah, have you met the actor in me?
Very sweet.
But
Yeah.
he's so dynamic and such amazing work TVF has
Yeah.
done, and it has been responsible for truly shaping the Gen Z also, I feel.
Yes,
you know,
yes.
Panchayat ho ya
Yes.
phir
The first show,
the
Permanent
first show,
Roommates.
I know.
Have you
I
watched
mean,
that? Yeah, I mean.
Sumit Vyas became like a it thing, man.
Yes,
है ना?
yes, absolutely.
I mean, and just the way people
Mhm.
kind of review these shows,
Yes, yes.
they have made like a core memory to
Absolutely.
They are core memories of a lot
nostalgia
of
for us now.
a
Good
lot of people,
nostalgia.
lot of people.
Yeah. What kind of emotional research and preparation you had to do for the Chandrayaan character? Like you understood you understood the perspective of the scientist, what they had to go through, but you as a character, like you had to support your husband, but again you were also like managing the chaos and like trying to absorb
but I
everything.
think a lot of that comes
Yeah.
from all the women that I've seen in my life, like my masi, my mother, my
Right.
sister,
Right.
the kind of hustling that they do
Right.
with a lot of love and a lot of warmth.
Right.
There is not even a pinch of irritation about it, and they just manage so many things. Like my mom is 65. I've never seen my mom cribbing about the times when she did not have money to take care of 2 daughters and the
Right.
house and
Right.
everything, and
Right.
today she has 3 homes.
Yeah.
She kind of single-handedly manages me and my husband's house, her house, my sister's house in
Oh
Dubai,
my God.
what the kids are doing,
Wow.
their timings,
Superwoman.
the maid, how she has to
Oh my
prepare a
God.
meal in their
Oh my
house and
God.
stuff like that.
Yeah.
And I think a lot of inspiration when
Yes.
I've done a typical housewife supporting roles comes from there.
Like, did you take away anything from the role? I think it was
I think whatever Madhvi is,
Yeah.
like Madhvi is understanding.
Mhm.
Madhvi is still doing her own teacher bit that
Yeah.
she's doing.
Yes.
And still she takes all these things. But I think Madhvi, I remember this particular scene where the whole Ravan Dahan is happening.
Yes,
and
yes.
There's the Ram Leela happening.
Yeah.
And Madhvi comes to Arjun, and Arjun is not in a good mood. And Madhvi trying to cheer him up and
Right,
stuff like
right,
that.
right.
They are having their little own private moment.
Mhm.
And I just felt in that scene that our mothers do so much like this.
Yes. Yes.
They would just give like a treat to us, that it's okay that you've had like a bad day at school.
Right.
You know what? I'll do your favorite gulab jamun today, theek hai? And then I'll do your favorite puran poi today. And that moment, I just realized that my mom has done so many little things
Right.
which have put me in a good mood at that point of time. And this is exactly what I'm doing with Arjun right now.
Right.
I'm just not treating him like a child though,
Right.
but putting him in a good mood as a
Right.
wife.
Right. Right.
You know what? You and me will have like this little thing privately and everything. So I think that scene kind of it made me realize that, my God, the real characters are not very different from real characters.
It's all
Yeah,
reality.
it's all
Yeah.
reality. Yeah.
Wow. All right. So I have this pretty personal question. So I'm in my 30s. I'm 34. We are almost the same age. Unmarried, single, trying to work on my career.
Yeah.
And you have got married on like the right age. You have a
There is no
son.
right age to
Oh,
marry.
like you got married. You look very happy to me, and I'm so happy for
Yeah.
you. You got lucky also. You met
Today,
your-
I think after 11 years of marriage,
Yeah.
I feel me and Himanshu, we talk and we are like, don't you think ये marriage नहीं करना चाहिए था हमको?
That's the question. Like, do you think we should marry, like, as a woman, or we should like focus on the career, or we should get married, or like have children, or like everything is important?
I
You
think a
look
woman
totally happy to
can
me.
be and do anything that she wants. There is no
Yeah.
right age to marry.
Right.
I'm in my late 30s right now.
Mhm.
I do not think that kids are on my card, because I think I've seen my sister deliver 2 kids,
Mhm.
and though I love them to the bits,
Yeah.
right now there was an age around early 30s or late
Right.
20s where I really wanted to be a mother,
Right.
but I don't feel like that today.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, of course, you need to get your eggs frozen and this and
Right,
that and everything,
right.
and that is something
Right,
that I think
right.
I want to tell every woman. Please
Yeah.
get your eggs frozen. When you're in your early 30s or late 20s, or in 25 to 34 के बीच में आप कर लो वो.
It's expensive.
Just no, yeah, it is not today. I mean, you can save up a bit and
Yeah,
do it.
yeah.
And just forget about it.
No?
Yeah, just forget about it.
Even-
It is something that
Yeah.
I would say, if you can afford it, please
Correct.
do it.
Yes.
So that
because-
it
yeah.
is one thing that is
Yeah. Yeah.
done with.
Right.
But again, you feel different about kids at different point of time
Nah.
as a woman.
Yeah. Yeah.
Also, after every decade, the woman
Yeah.
bodies change.
Right.
Like, I remember when I had this urge of being a mother, the urge was so much, and Himanshu was not ready at that point
Yes.
of time. Then after that urge kind of mellowed down.
Right.
And I learned a lot of things about myself as a woman.
Nah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A lot.
Yes.
I mean, I can definitely take care of my sister's children, but I
Children's.
don't know whether I want to give it
Yours.
24/7 attention
I
and
know,
this
right?
and that. And even today, I'm not very sure. After 2 years, I might
Yes.
feel absolutely different and
Yeah.
no, I want a child. ऐसा हो सकता है.
Correct.
But
correct.
today, I don't feel it's on,
right.
in the cards for me. Yeah.
Absolutely, I agree with you because I feel it's a little selfish to also give birth, and also it's also selfish to not have a child.
Also,
So I'm a
you
little
will give
confused here.
birth because
Yeah.
you want to experience motherhood.
Right.
It is not the child's responsibility.
Correct. Oh my god. Oh my god. You're so true.
I mean, it is not the children's it is
Yes.
not any child's responsibility.
Yes.
The child is not telling you to become
Give birth
pregnant
to
and
me.
give birth
Yeah.
and experience motherhood.
Absolutely.
It is if you're not doing it, it is
Yeah.
also selfish.
Yes.
If you're doing it, that is also selfish.
So I'm also in that dilemma right now.
Yeah.
Career karu ki
Because you
shaadi.
want to
So,
experience
yeah,
motherhood, because you
yeah.
want to experience what it is to have a child,
Right.
what it is to have the ultimate pleasure, the magic of
Absolutely.
mother,hood and
Yeah.
everything. It is your wish. Do
Yes.
not burden your child with it.
I know, right? Oh, this is what I exactly wanted to hear. Thank you so much. यही सुनना था मुझे भी. All right. So you also believe in manifestation, and
I
that
do.
has worked with you so beautifully.
Yeah.
Can you tell us more? I want to be as successful as you. Yeah.
I even during Chandramukhi, I
Right.
manifested little things like, when I would dance on stage,
Right.
people would go crazy and they would want to cheer,
Right, right.
and then they would want to scream my name, and that
Correct.
has happened. I mean, whenever I'm performing my
Right.
song Chandra or Baiga, that has happened with me. Even after dancing for 14 for a good 7 minutes, I had to dance once more 7 minutes. So all those things have happened. I had manifested that somehow Chandramukhi reaches Sanjay Leela Bansali, and it did. We had a beautiful chat. I had the opportunity to chat with Sanjay Leela Bansali sir, and he
Wow.
loved me in
Wow,
Baiga,
wow, wow.
and he personally invited me for a Hira Mandi screening, and it was really something,
No?
you know. Of course, the working with him is another manifestation that I kind of, you know, do it in every interview that I get, and I really hope, and I know the
Yes.
universe is listening. I really hope it happens
It's
someday.
calling you in this
I really
months.
hope
Yeah,
so.
yeah,
Because
yeah.
working with him is going to be absolutely magical and a dream
Absolutely.
come true. So I'm manifesting it in every interview, in every
Yes.
person that I meet. I just say a little prayer right now
Yes,
and just
yes,
let the universe manifest
yes.
this for me.
Do you have a technique for this?
Um, so I'm a very religious, a very dharmic person.
Yeah.
I do my puja. I get up. I get into the shower, and then
Mhm.
first thing that I do is I do my little
Puja.
puja, and I write down things that I want to tell my God,
Oh,
and I write down a lot of things that I'm grateful for.
right.
Just yesterday, I was in my bed,
Right.
and there was this new house that I took last year,
Whoa.
and it's named Ekam.
What does it mean?
Ekam means, so I'm a certified yoga teacher. So Ekam means the first step that you do. So Ekam, Dve, Trihni, you know, so it's like
Oh.
1, 2, 3. So Ekam is like the start of anything.
Wow.
You know, it's like
Wow.
number one
Yes.
in yoga language.
Right.
You know,
Right.
so I've named my house that, and also the total of my house comes as 1
Sun. That's
Yeah.
the
number of
I
sun.
love
Yeah.
astrology, but
Yeah,
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 it's
yeah.
awesome. Yeah.
So then I do एक छोटा सा copper का मेरा छोटा pot है उसमें से I do the जल अर्पण
Yeah. To sun.
जल अर्पण to the sun and everything. Also, this is the year of sun.
Yes, yes. It's oh my
Yeah,
god.
yeah, yeah.
Tell
So
us.
all these little rituals I
Yeah,
do,
yeah.
and you know, camphor burning and everything. I do
Mm.
this. So it just helps me feel. I feel very grounded. I feel
Yeah, it
like this
calms
is
you
my
down.
place,
Yeah, yeah.
and this is where my home is.
Right.
Where, you know, I do my little puja
Wow.
and I say my prayers and everything.
Wow.
I know a lot of these Atharva Shirsha, Ram Raksha, Hanuman Chalisa,
Oh.
Kunjika Stotra.
Wow.
I'm a great, matlab, I love doing Panchamrut Arpan to Shivling and everything.
Goddess
Yeah.
all together. Wow.
So yeah, these are little rituals that nobody's
Correct.
taught me. I have
Right.
read about it, and I kind of, you know, this is where my space just comes into existence, I feel.
Wow. And since how long you've been doing yoga?
Yoga, I think about 8 to 10 years now.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
Need to start that inspiration. All right.
I think there is nothing grounding and nothing, you know, that makes you hold your center like yoga.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
It is
Yeah.
one thing that I will do and I will go to, whether I'm happy or I'm exhausted or I'm
Correct.
stressed and nothing is going right in my life. I
Right.
will always go to yoga.
Yoga se hi yoga.
Yoga se hi yoga.
So were there any moments in your life where you felt like giving up? Kini, I'm so tired, I'm just done with it. Because I don't think so. Because you
See, there have
Yeah.
been times where
yeah.
life has really thrown me down
Yeah.
and pushed me, you know, right under the ground.
Okay.
But giving up, I don't think. I
No,
don't
even I
think
don't
giving
think
up
so.
was an
Yeah,
option.
yeah.
I have cried nights and nights, and I have howled, and I have, you know. But again, I know that I have to get up and I have to do these things. Yeah, time and again. I think when I was in my 20s, I've not handled it well. I've had heartbreaks, I've had relationship fiascos and everything, but I had to get up. I had to. I knew that I had to get up. I will tell you, like when I started doing yoga, it was the the most lowest I've been in my life.
Yeah?
I couldn't finish one Surya Namaskar without crying.
Oh my
Because
god.
I remember my breathing was so shallow at that point of
Anxiety.
time. Anxiety. There was, you know, I used to get these panic attacks and everything. मतलब एक सूर्य नमस्कार करने के लिए भी ना, I used to be like, I can't
my
do it. I
God.
can't do it. And I used to
Oh my
push
God.
myself through. And today
Oh
I can
my
do
God.
108 and it's fine.
180. Like, have you ever like tried therapy or something? What are your thoughts?
I
Or,
did,
like, yeah.
but it did help me to an extent. At the end of the day,
Yeah,
I think
it's yoga.
you know, it's
Okay.
it's your inner thing.
Absolutely.
A therapist can only tell you what you need to accept.
Mhm.
Now those things I know. Now how to deal with it is is a matter of time.
I know.
And it's continuously healing yourself, continuously reading, continuously listening to good podcasts,
Right.
continuously telling yourself
Wow.
that, you know, there are a lot of childhood traumas that come up. You have to face them, and yeah, a lot of things.
I'm so proud of you. So you have recently started your theatre journey.
Yes,
It's your own
yes,
production.
yes,
Tell
yes.
us. I'm so excited for this.
So I'm so
Yeah.
glad that
Yeah.
you know, at this point of time I am
Right.
producing a theatre play.
Yes,
I'm
yes.
also acting in it with
Absolutely.
Swapnil Joshi.
Right.
But I have to give credit to my writer,
Mhm.
who's also producing it. Her
Okay.
name is Madhugandha Kulkarni,
Mhm.
and she came to me with the offer of an actor as well as a producer. I think the way women kind of अगर वो ठान ले, the way women promote women, it's
Absolutely.
absolutely astounding.
No?
It's absolutely magical. I mean, a woman, the way she uplifts a woman, I think no person can do that, you know.
Yes, absolutely.
And I'm so glad that I met her and
Yeah.
I started this journey with her,
Yeah.
with Swapnil Joshi as my
Yes.
co-actor and
Right.
my partner again.
Right.
And I'm having so much fun. It's a comedy
Yeah.
play. Please
Wow.
come and watch it.
Yes.
We are going to be performing in Mumbai very, very soon.
Yes.
The play's name is Lagna Panchami. It's an out and out relationship ke upar
Wow.
comedy play. It's a very clean family comedy.
Yes.
And we've been having such great fun, and people are loving it. So come and watch the play,
Please,
please.
guys, please watch. If
The
you,
play is called Lagna Panchami.
मतलब क्या है?
Lagna Panchami is like a festival of marriage.
Oh, nice. Oh, nice, nice. Right. So I always ask this question to all of my guests. So if you had like only 2 minutes, if you could go back to the 12-year-old Amruta, what would you go and tell her?
I would go and tell her, have little faith and confidence in yourself.
Yes.
You are extremely talented. Just believe in yourself. Do not cry over relationships that do not stay in your life. People who want to see you grow, who want to love you, and who love you no matter where you are in life, no matter what you are in life, will stay. You do not have to beg. And just keep moving. Don't give up. That's it.
Oh my God, this is so beautiful. This is the best answer I've got so far. Thank you so much,
Thank
ma'am.
you, my
Thank you so
love.
much
Thank
for
you so
coming.
much, sweetie.
Thank you so
It
much.
was such a pleasure. Thank
yes,
you so
same
much.
here. I hope to meet
And
you
again,
soon.
because you're a filmmaker, my left profile.
She's
right
too
profile.
good.
Hi,
Thank
my
you.
name is Amrita. You know my age, so I'm not going to say it on camera. My height is 5'4", and you can contact me on.
Thank you so much,
Thank
ma'am.
you,
That's
love.
a wishful cast I have. Hopefully, I can work with you very soon.
Absolutely.
I hope I can become that big also.
You are. You will.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi guys, this is Amrita Khanvilkar and you are watching me on the comment section. And if you guys haven't liked or subscribed to the channel, please do that and watch my interview. Ta-da!